Here's a Lakewood 3rd gen box fan, model 200i, I think. I don't know for sure though. I found this in the trash several years ago at a thrift store, and should be obvious why these grills are completely destroyed. Let me take the camera off this tripod. So, as you can see, this corner is really messed up. It's also missing a screw there. There's another huge dent right there. And then right there, there's a huge chunk missing. It's also missing a screw right there. But amazingly, the blades are still intact. And if you look at the inside of the cabinet, there's no rust whatsoever in there. Which is surprising because it was raining when I found this thing. And if you look here at the back, I don't know what happened there. It looks like someone kicked it or something. So, anyway. I actually got this at the same thrift store I got my TK fan. They used to throw stuff out all the time. I got several fans out of the trash from there. But, I'll turn it on now. Here is high. Medium. And despite all the abuse it's suffered, it runs pretty well. I haven't even done anything to it yet. It's been sitting here in my grandparents' basement for all this time. I haven't even oiled it. And off. There's the back again. And that's my Lakewood 3rd gen box fan. Thanks for watching.